Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike. This is my entry into the 2022 Pro Street Group build. Last year was my first year entering, and I absolutely had a blast. So when this year's entry came around, needless to say, very excited. So again, thank you, Dylan, over at NYS Modeling for hosting. I will link his channel with the announcement video below. So this is what we got. Now, I did review this kit a little while back on my classic kit review series. So if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and do so. Reason I chose this kit, not only because it is really cool, but because it has a ton of extra parts. And I really, honestly, couldn't be more excited to build this with all of these optional parts. So it is going to take a little bit of work, and I'll show you guys why. So the chassis, let's see if I can even get it out of here. Chassis, unfortunately, in this case, is one piece. It has the bottom of the bed molded in. So, oh well. I was trying to figure out how I was going to do this. I was thinking maybe I'll just cut everything out and make some wheel wells and it'll be good to go. But what I'm probably going to do, I bought this a little while ago. The built-in 4-link and some airbags there and there. And then the Ford 9-inch rear end that attaches to everything. Bought this off eBay. So I'm probably going to have to cut away a lot of the frame here and fit this in. But I think it's going to be okay. I can make it work. Not a big deal. Really would have been a lot easier if I chose something like this, because this kit already has a separate frame, and then it really wouldn't take much to slip this in and match everything up. But that's the way it goes. Besides, I'm already building one of those. So again, I was planning on using the tubbed rear end from this, but honestly, I don't think I'm going to need to do that. I think I'm going to be okay. And I was even planning, maybe, just maybe, if I can take this off. There we go. On running without the bed, just the chassis. I don't know. I got all kinds of plans for this. I am super, super excited. I'm probably going to have the bed on there, let's be honest. But you can see how there's detail under there. And that just pretty much covers up the bed. So, anyway, a lot of options in this kit. It is going to be really, really fun to build. And not only that, but I'm also going to bring some parts and pieces from this. Now this is going to come at the very, very end, but there's definitely going to be some parts from that kit. So there it is. There's my entry into the 2022 group build. And like I said, I couldn't be more excited. So thank you again, Dylan, very much for hosting. And I look forward to everyone else's builds. So I will see you guys on the next one.